this is the only song I know that you hate. Nasty C. When they say about Inyani Plum, Ilangona, cool. So you can put yeah. Motherfucker.
So how are you feeling this week?
Now this is chat call about why you feeling late.
Oh yeah.
Reason being here now.
Reason late to be here.
But then worrying the one.
Oh, one.
I think my study speakers by never show. I bet party room.
I don't mean.
Yeah. Because wow. So you're not afraid because they're gonna be laughing the whole time.
Because I'm new. Those guys on the side. Don't get this thing. Kupelendo, kupespeak along the Okay, you editing this weekend. Edit Rick, edit
some new stuff, my boy. Which one? The big one or the small one?
Yeah, the big one. Small one. Oh boy. I'm not sure I some busy. I'm not sure I write my life, if you don't mind. Some busy. Yeah. Sword. Ngakhoqa lesitolo bana phone. Stream. Ndafa ngabantu ngenxa yena. Yakhalwa ihu.
Like this man.
Ngayishi.
The fucking parents speaker room, ngicela connect on the part, then nginga-chill up.
She doesn't want to go to the room for some weird reason.
Yeah, she wanted to be here, but
we're gonna call her though. I told her that.
Alright.
How do you feel?
How do I feel? About what?
Like, am I wrong?
I don't know, bro. And I've been here to Twasile, but hit the link. I gotta pay the rent.
Yeah, bro, we gotta do this shit, bro.
But
like,
I'm gonna say it again.
Yeah.
This is the first time the guys are feeling I'm gonna see. I think like I'm just saying that's how you hate it.
Nah, I just don't like the flow, bro. Like, I think I have to listen to like the only song I didn't like on Strings and Blings. You play it yourself. I didn't like the flow. Play it yourself. Like, it sounds random for me. Like, it's a random flow. It's something.
It's human.
Let me show you. But I only like that song when I related to it, though.
Oh, that's why I'm saying Lenin Goma. I think you hate it because for me,
I relate to it. Let me show it now.
Same.
When I was listening to that thing at that moment, I was like, "Fuck!" I didn't even want to hear what it was saying. You know? It was a matter of, I find you. Oh.
Where's young city Payana? Young Malela Lumdan ba. I gotta pay the rent, hit the link.
Hit the link.
Otherwise, chat. If Siwe is on, Siwe, I did everything you said I must do. Now where I survived. I wrote everything down. Befana sayenza namhlanje. Hayi ma'am. Decided otherwise because besela no boss wakhe. Kwase Orania. The Orania la now. But I had everything on. This stream said supposed to be Pelango. 11. But I hate you, bro. Remember, I look crazy. Can I tell you what? What do you want?
Can I switch off the light and then put it on? Because it's the adapter. The adapter is the same thing. I was using like 13 inches.
Leonard, but put it on.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I
not
like
bad.
it.
You can, okay, take it out. Boy, chatty. Sinombane.
Party.
What's that thing? Take another video. Sinombane. Fuck, Tommy. The Tambu Square. If you're interested in Ganfundela, if this is I'm the girls wanna come through live, some afford because putting on Sanjay, family day, and we're supposed to tell one another again. But let's call up. Sambe. Konde poranje ngokudazi. Akonde nje ngoporanje nje ngofika. The first time kwenzeka lento komu. Afike club in around 11 then I'm at Mhlombe now. And everybody was drunk and Transwhite was sober. Ubona mhlanje kwenzeka lonto komu. Ngokumne ngifikele kuyaba. Gone the base. But yeah,
I'm back like umqolo. My boy.
But I wish we could put it away because the cheesy layers. Oh, Lando yakho reflect.
Hey, otherwise, I just want to know how was your week, my boy?
It was okay.
Like, how do you feel this week? Like, I don't want to lie, bro. Like,
in terms of what? In terms of everything?
No, it's like in terms of how you felt in terms of your body. Like, you know, those
Tired,
hard thing I know.
For this week? Okay, to be honest, can't tap in like fully about what's going on. Cool.
Yeah.
So I would say, nah, I'm okay. But what's happening around
you?
Yeah, it's not okay.
I don't want to lie, bro. Like,
and again, last weekend is Disney.
Yeah.
And last weekend is Disney. I think disconnect.
Can't disconnect. My dog, you gotta relax. Now
otherwise, it's got to rent a band for a look.
Yeah, hey guys.
I asked London now. Panzer singing in this stream.
Yeah, personally, hey, but hey, man, you know we gotta work. Like, in the show, in my area, I think I shall say to Mrs. Bambi, Mike, because the sound is not sounding nice.
Bando.
Me.
Because you're talking shit.
When I was editing.
Because you're talking shit.
When I was editing, it sounded as if like the mic is not sounding right.
Don't worry about the camera. I know you're working towards the camera.
Yeah.
But the sound, why go for and then I told them it's so fucking long.
Okay.
Okay,
let's put a sound.
Okay. So, as of now, I'm gonna check, see where more special. Now we are server. Now we base management. Trying to put us on. Then I end up not really. Okay. Management.
Then can I make you listen when you said, oh, you think I should make you listen something all the time? Nah, man, I think it's something we should play after you speak and then we can talk on it.
It's fine. Now, basically, what I had in mind.
Okay, let's hear what you
had in mind. Speak what you want to say because I was going to say I don't know at this moment.
Okay. Bro, I want to imagine. Boom. What he's speaking is something we've been thinking, and then it's something that's that's people who are watching us have been speaking, which is why I said this stream is a family meeting. I think we should speak what we hear from the people, and then says I'm a rectifier, and then from this stream they can tell us, but when you're right up or when you're wrong up. I don't know if I'm wrong.
Yeah, I get you.
But we're going to decide what we want to do. But
no, they're going to decide what they want to see.
Yeah, but bro, it's about the chat, but at the end of the day,
for me it's about the chat. 110.
It's about the chat, bro.
But chat doesn't limiter. Chat can never make it.
That's what I'm saying.
But it's all about them. If they tell us about, like how they told me how to write this down, they like listening to us teta.
Okay. So I think you're gonna relate 100% to this.
Thinking about generation, that was a full of team up. And a full of embarrassing kitchen, shooter. Composing the clear clipper. Pakativiki, a tea dog. Fleganias, but a name, the pin in the sense of the way. You know what to chop, what you're gonna do with stream. Okay, the chances are let's be a tight teen. Next there's a quality plan before you they go in game stream. I feel like I knew by the way if only we had like in the team because just example we have been watching you guys. So that's the kind of things but I can't
bro, it's something you've been saying, bro.
Yeah,
that's why it's something you've been saying. Like it's not even now that but I even said to Umshi, bro, me personally, I just saw this as a practice run, but I didn't know it's gonna get as professional as this now. Which is why I think I wanted a family stream with you because when you overwhelmed my dog, yeah, there's a lot going on in my life and overwhelmed my dog. Like fucking overwhelmed. So I don't wanna lie, like messages and then there's you now.
I sent you I sent two messages to you from the chat, which is Matles. Did you listen to the VM?
Yeah. Can't do it. I think
Ima. Vakali. Uhlombe urendise ngeroom endlini yakhe for a long weekend. That's why sikwenzeke izinto.
Why?
Because urendise ngeroom for a long weekend.
My wife, but the guest is
wait. John, yeah, move or be quiet.
But you gotta go, let's go and 10 minutes yet and then we can.
Go for the water. Namhlanje check benza neqalela amazwi eBhayibhile.
Oh, I can tell us about love.
Yeah, yasenza ngena lonto. But it's just a beginning, I saw.
Just you in the chat.
I thought it was a beginning in the chat. But all we can speak about is calling a match on match. I chatted, and then taking out from he's doing too much. I don't know if you got up. Ndafika engekho abuya nasheka ndedwa wezi nami ndizidinelwe ngumntwana womntu ke bethu ndibekile utywala
yabona mna the reason ngasoze ngiyeke ukutywala is because I think
what do you think Dinga ndoni thetha
I think man amnandi man ba apha ngazi bangilayo nje
well as long as they know music ayizodlala
obviously because I think that's the only way you can switch off the music now because eqobeleni kodwa yonke into ibhale pha kula ngifuna kula paragraph
nah I'm gonna talk about it around
sapha kule nto kandiyibithe
ngiye phone yakho ndikusendele
sendele chaya Sir, then go to after the Cosmos Kali, but it goes before Spisa.
nazo ezweni liziphilayo ke
I
chat
was with the one, I went to take a check and what is head.
ngithemba uphi ubhesi
Zakashaya.
ila did you check umahla
Huh?
yo I'm supposed to send it to you
Chaya.
huh
Ubahlalele mntanami.
ngicela ntoni ngicela ntoni
Oh, yini mthandi khulu.
ngicela ntoni ba uyagowa you supposed to tell us ubugowa intoni wena because ngumuntu ongathi uyagowa ugowa
Ugowa mntandi nkosi. Jagowa.
yabona unenzela gegama belifunwa ngalamini
Jagowa chaya.
so nisithi lightini kodwa ndima mnyama
Jagowa mntandi nkosi.
ufuna ndilibanjwe ngekakazi zase
Jagowa. Yabona namhlanje asinaso ne-stream. Sithatha soyi-2 nje imntaka manje.
upstream
Asaswing.
oh abangenanga
Na chera.
oh
Chera ithethi namhlanje.
bazayibukela I'm
Na
happy
chera namhlanje is straight to YouTube. Sibabonisile sekwazi uyenza.
I think ndiyavuya bangenanga nami
Mama ungangeni mntana nkosi. Ungangeni. Yandiva.
nguva bra
Hey man. Mina stress sakho kule veki man.
sesam mna ndashiya 2020 bani atashiya before varsity yayazi nawo ngokusasila talu Nedbank ngandishiya ngalanda wathi nginyise kapha ndabe ndiyazi ba
I don't wanna lie, bro. Man, into yenzekile weekend. I had so much fun after the streams ka query yabo. If yakhumbula
no the other guy
lento kanobuhle, lento ka low tax.
low tax
We had a low tax. If you guys watched this weekend, we had a low tax stream
past weekend
this past weekend, but we're gonna only drop it this weekend.
Sky Humanity
Yeah.
a lot of people wanna join
Yeah, guys. We're gonna have a team who's gonna help us cut.
and appreciate it.
We've got a team who's gonna already help us print and put this in Dokwendawo Till if you live in Eswood, if you live in Amalenda, if you live in the coastal hospital, what do you do? Mabai, yeah. We're gonna see that thing. But yeah, hey, sazama man.
Whatever you wanna see apa nobody painting yabona kulakona bali painting
ne
if uyakwazi zoba sibeke pha bahlala kakona
if uyakwazi uthetha nanzi mic hlale siphincoko yabo so if uyakwazi designer ngifuna ijacket ngakanizabe ne
as long as nifundile ibhayo yethu lithini
yabona funa nje abantu basise but otherwise we're going to bring people more my dog so my dog into enilelukele man we had so much fun last week ne but
some social stream
it ended
ala some social stream
ku-stream bra ended kabuhlungu bana ngingakwazi nojonga i-messages zami WhatsApp because i-stream sayakhala bana yela itheni wifi yenu kutheni ningalentuki kutheni banikhatha into noni
I think phone yamfika kube on nami ngoku
yabona so asikwazi bras ungakhali like ngicela ningakhali for now like give us until at least May sawuzama headquarters ibe indawo noko
hayi ngebirthday party yakho
yeah so guys let us need at least May because we trying now lento thina besifuna experiment but now you guys want us to be professional.
I think they know.
And yeah they know what it could be ne
besides that I think they know why would we have someone not to send a class okay stop drinking the beer dalini unenzela
i-classes
no phone yami ngilight kayi-1 idatha iyakhala yabo I think bona like ifamily libizile namhlanje I think they understand about okay like shout out to you let's all see where we watch you see where what yo every time I'm watching this chef like tilapo but today I can't speak yabo so
Theo shout Mac Riri
huh
Mac Riri
who's Mac Riri
peace management mfana zami zikwa-20 dansana yasawa
oh Mac oh shout out Mac the only Mac I think about is power
yeah that type of shit boy but niggas kuzaba mnandi brother bo but accepteni kwangoku ngesho bosililo kuzaba mnandi
but ke masibuze mntsakubuza how do you feel yeah
awani
ndafuna babonisa like how do you feel about the way ye match and match le busithi bande ngalahleki ngayetown socisho
me bang
kind of took how do you feel about the movement and how abaXhosa like abaXhosa bayibona ngabo wese ababefone abaphapha njengathi baku social media.
Yeah, but I don't want to lie, but that way it push you on social media, yeah, boy. Like instance, I heard it from you. Even spoke about it
like way before.
Yeah, like way before. Oh, was Teta Ngayo the way, and then it was touching for me. But dingakwazi ukufika phana.
Not even that.
Yabona but mamela manyoko. It touched like ungakwazi ukufika phana because
power to the people. Kind of like nempama.
Njani pa? Shit, we feel safe. But yabona it touched like ungakwazi ukufika phana because of why? I was pushing this thing and I supported this thing. Yabona. And which is why I spoke about it, which is why I had an opinion about it. But it felt as if same way yakhumbula ngoze silwa lento yethu mbali. It felt as if bana uvele
Venezuela.
Yabona, I think uvele abantu abane bombs. Yabona, abantu who know how to use this specific situation to benefit them. I'm not saying anything about abantu abafikile basupporta. Say accept support, but it felt as if kwabantu bayibonileyo but they could use this to benefit me.
Yeah.
But then, which is why I'm saying I can't speak enough on it because I wasn't there.
Okay, for me.
But kodwa uyayazi abantu esikhala nabo apha. They weren't there. But abantu abangayaziyo intsusa semonti bebepha.
That's why I'm gonna fix you. That's why I'm gonna try and put you on. It's not about the Monday, it's about Eastern Cape. You don't get away. But even though Abelung Bazamo Yans by Ipa be center of Eastern Cape, but East London is the capital of Eastern Cape. Nabunga tin, Nabunga December, Nabunga June. Besides Bumland, like Sabo.
Akumnandi bonti. Akumnandi bonti. Kunuka what?
Okay, but nanini nayibona endicaphele yabo.
Yeah.
It's how abantu abafana nathi abaphaphayo abaphizi nge-social media. Bayiturnela away into bazawutsho bazi uyiki whatever. Bayiterne into bayizi beef that testosterone.
Who's bigger than who?
Yeah, bon.
There are people be tick-sagging what.
Right. And they saying but Tina's wiki, whatever. And the only people about your low wake hasn't done any babon on phone. And if you're going to make button that of course. Abandon numbers. Abastronisayo. For example, was Puti legend. I want to read you that shit he wrote. Yo, Uti. And I'm thinking what is the way, but I'm not from KZN and other app, and maybe in Joburg when I put the legend, or in Cape Town, whatever. If you feel like a real man, why was I? I hate people. If you have a platform, Lando is supposed to be. Wait, can I say? La way yenzikile suppose unite a country. Then by separate.
Okay.
Because the way you match say support in Eastern Cape so kum isukana zunatala. But bone into right kuyo ne.
But kodwa mayipa lengichola bana ababantu bafike eKZN bazafika Eastern Cape. Domination mingobani pha.
See it. Sita babaninzi kunabo.
Funny ngobani beyame front.
So now so you're riding with that way.
I'm not riding with that.
I'm telling you, the way before the Zulu guys came here.
I was supposed to I live.
What you guys don't understand. Before the Zulu, shout out to Shaka Nation, shout out to Zulu Nation. Before they came here, we planned this. You remember I told you, we're gonna have this march. Yeah, but then
I'm taking this from. I don't want to nyanza our nation or anything, but I'm taking this from now.
What happened?
Bro, how many people from the area?
Everybody. From our hood.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, Magic. I'm gonna give you one person everybody they thought Bagas go. Hood here too. D-Town. Give me a name, I'll give you a name, Kangapum. The whole hood was there. Even though it's for law enforcement, he was there. Once we got it, it's only a shift at the 8. What is a boiling matter? I claim the boy as a kaboom to game because it's a span. My guy, I'm telling you. Lawe and the shame. That's why I'm being also the first time. So shit. Let's talk about the Inga yet. And then the whole fucking community went where?
Yeah, so
Easy show.
Free
I understand.
Free her.
We have started an assist Mama Princess but make it about the hood you get Puma, that's why Macy's to Ings were Puma. Same thing. That's why
I take all that.
That's the L. Okay, give me the L.
What I'm telling you, the L is the first day, bro. To me, it's the first day. Because that strike was the first day. Instance, first day, you know, my bro. I don't want to say shit, but you know what was the solution. We had people who we know who are standing there. We had people who know who went there. The people you're mentioning now went there on the first day. That was the first day of that strike. We weren't there, my brother.
Wait.
We strike last year.
Okay.
Now besingekho. Ngabona singabalwa as i-first day. Abantu babalayo mnaba. Wena uyikhwele lento when you started to see it's affecting you.
I disagree because you're not on it. Now I'd rather say the Nipan even though I'm lying, bro. Tamzo.
We spoke about it on our stream, bro.
I'm gonna tell you now.
Like we can only give it another 2 hours on our stream now.
Okay, we passed it. What I'm gonna say now. I'm gonna figure as no playing into times as no umzekelo. Sikhali inkomo ekhaya namhlanje, ne? Sikhali ilali yonke. If siyaxhela. And then afike uJola, afike uBhele, afike ubani. Afike le kwagadi. Singakwazi ukuxhela. Baxhele. Are we supposed to sibaxheke in the public? Then basibafundise sibize ugadi ukuthi izoncinza kumenze apha. This is how you're supposed to do this. You know ndicapela kula way matams ba. Instead ba la way yenzele ba si unite. Kwane iqaliwe. Not ba sibona ngosizobona i-tribes. What do you mean? Not uJS times. I'm not busy podcasting chill lo kaZuma.
Ndicela ngolento kalota uyinkosi leyamaphi.
I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about
Foni inkosi ithunyelise inkosi yabaZulu.
No, akathunyelanga ngabaZulu la mntu. Akathunyelanga ngabaZulu. Ute wathi no Provo Biba, where this guy une agenda yakhe.
Bemngelapha mek.
So you saying uba inkosi yabaZulu ithe amanqitsi Eastern Cape, it gave that nigga the word, and then wafundwa ngabantu bamakakhwele. Because abona ngosi Eastern Cape ifande enye province ba niyenzile ukuthi le way we're going to give you imali ya kwenye province. Do the same thing you did for us.
Nah, but I don't want this to be a political platform.
It's not, but it's happening around us.
Always politics.
Okay, we move on. Shout out.
Politics is fine.
But I'm gonna say it's got right, Londo. If you're gonna have numbers and then spend the push is investment right, and it's all about I'm telling you today.
For me disagreement yet, but someone's gonna say you right, someone's gonna say I'm right. I think we've said enough now.
Alright.
I think we've said enough.
Now you move on then.
I think we've said enough.
Okay, move on. Then move on, Galoko.
Yeah, man. I haven't had a great week this week. It's had a terrible week for me. Especially in the point where, like, I think what happened this past weekend, I had so much retrospection. I had so much retrospection, but and it wasn't even about this past weekend, but it was about no man. I wanna I take a lot of advice you give me, but I think I got a specific thing by now. Also, it had been saying by now. I don't think Mabasa Puma go at this point. Yeah, bo.
Which is why we started this.
Yeah.
No speech said it.
Which is why we started this shit. Yeah, bro. And I've been fighting you on that thing, but now. John, man, no matter my most at home because at the end of the day, like where we're gonna market our shit, because we have to go outside, we have to meet people, we have to tell them what we're doing. But what do you mean? Now we have to stream all the time and stuff like that. And then it came to me about last week after we went out, and then what happened, and then those girls here.
What happened?
So what happened was we went,
if you know, you know.
We went to stream with Query last week.
Shout out Query High now. Evil Twins 2 coming through.
Coming soon.
Yeah.
What on?
Yeah, I'll tell you about it.
Tell me, my boy.
You might have to send
I won't forget this shit, boy.
Evil Twins is coming.
Evil Twins 2.
Yeah. My friend said it's Diego, don't leave me.
Hello, Evil Twins 2, right?
Fuck, it is going to be so. I'll tell you, send the
link.
Yeah.
Send the link. Can I go to the bathroom so long?
No.
Bro, I won't forget.
No.
I need to piss.
He's pulling his fucking cock out. Zoo. He's
I'm
about to take a piss. Guys, man, I'm a nine. And I'm not sure. Church, I'm a nine. The base. See you it. Asavela. Whoever likes us, who loves me, I'm a nine. Alright, my family. No, because of family. That is an unique advice. I'm starting to have to tell you, those who know me, they know me. Some women say but it's fine. Okay, sure. Yabona ngonde thwasile because uhlanga ngibuza into which uyakufanele yenze kanye. Mhlawumbe phezulu ngifaka up guys namhlanje because they are nice. Ngiyama ke nisebenza nzima mina for uba ndizibone ndivuka ndiya kwi-stream bekhe ngasidecide ngaso because ufana si-streame ngomso kanti ngomso niyahamba andiseseludiko qhalweni
Don valicam.
kuwe nje usungaphayana.
No, my dog. So what I'm saying is, for my last week after the Cody stream, went to the club. Down the house, and then I figured I went to partner. We met people we knew, and then said I want to pull up to the H2. So I figured H2, nice vibes. But if calling your vibes, I wanted this formulary partner that maybe this thing, wow.
What thing?
Like. No. Like in terms, in terms of what we're trying to do, bro. We like we can go out, but to specific places, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I think I understand that now because of the people we met at the place we met them at.
Yeah.
Like, if we met those people in a different place, I don't think it would have happened how it would have happened that time. So let me try Bana. At the place we met them at, it was only one way. It was only one way. It's two way. Because they're also one of our supporters. But I seriously think we should have done that differently. Because I think what I want now, I don't want people to come headquarters. Headquarters in Yango.
Shout out to you as well. We've been preaching that.
Yeah, bro. We've been
preaching that, bro.
Yeah, bro, but
it's not about you, but
yeah, you've been pushing that, bro. I know, bro.
We've been.
I know.
We've been.
Yeah. I think in the hard-headed some way, somehow.
There's in those sometimes.
Yeah.
Zonke ezinye inqamba ngcayo. This won't be a problem.
Yeah.
Zona is a problem.
Yeah, bro, but like I think now we gotta push it like that, bro. Like, I'm sorry about hard-headed Guam, bro. Because we got a noise complaint that was even ours, bro.
Who said that? Come on.
That's Zuja.
Come on, Costa. Shout out.
Like, we got a noise complaint, bro. We got a noise complaint, yeah.
For last weekend?
No. For yesterday, actually.
Yesterday I was never here, man.
I know. We had nothing going on yesterday, but we had a noise complaint.
For the weekend?
No. Meza. When?
Vanilla.
Meza.
Yeah.
Like
That guy can't complain.
the other nigga, no, listen to me, dog.
Okay.
The other nigga,
Ima. Kalu Diego Fontaine.
my brother.
Wait, bro. I need you. Okay. Speak, eh?
Nah, look for Diego.
Look, you can speak. This one is a chat.
So my brother, what happened was, my brothers are next door were beefing, yabo.
With
That other nigga that Uzucha knows, yabo. Don.
Yeah,
But they all went to school together.
Yeah.
So Dog calls me. I will be except pull through. Figure kwako endlini. Check about chain and khaki and shit like that, and then unfake.
When?
Yesterday, 2 days back.
2 days back.
Yeah. Yesterday, when I called you actually.
Okay.
When I was
Tell me
editing
about
yesterday.
it.
I'll tell you about it. I said I'll tell you.
Guys, it wasn't a safe. You are in a laboratory.
Oh, I'm selling. Ne?
Guys, how about to me? Titi, utshwala emzimbeni, join the system, utshwala everywhere.
Tell
her
something.
Tell her, chamisa.
Oh, wow. Uceba umntolo uzapho uzoniphinca. All right.
I want to drink.
You want to drink?
I want something to drink and then I'm gonna come here.
Ne? Nansi indawo yakho. Woluvale nami.
Yandiva ke bensithini.
I forgot what I was saying, man. Yabona ndithi umsitho se next door yabona mfethu. They had a fight last night. But ngoku ithunyelwa kum le way. Ithunyelwa kum ngule way. That's me. Nah, akabusele mfana.
Hey, Papa. I'm telling you something.
Yo. Papa skis. Yo. Ngintoni lento? Wow. Wagwan. I've got you, my way. What? Yaphunga nje? Not drinking though. Like Jensen's opa. You couldn't drink. Ayo. Lepa nje drink.
Gotta watch the
Lisa?
show. Watch the stream. Isabelisa Chomi.
Chomi. Okay, Chomi belisa kuchera.
Nah, Chonga. I'm trying to split a 5-star.
5-star host.
5-star host.
W in the chair.
Otherwise, Chomi. Kondo sana usharati leo hapo kuchat.
What is all right now?
Nikupi
So far, Uganda, please. Like, tell you forgot
No, we can't.
Sorry, please hear the minute.
But guys, I first to the stream with their friends.
Oh,
There's no need.
Oh. Ghana. Like Ghana.
Yeah.
I can actually show you. Tell her react to me. Yes.
Say please.
Again.
Oh.
That's it.
Yes, the last time been feeling game again. I as your team chat. It's like a new. Where's the mic with no mic stand? Where's the mic with no mic stand? It's avocado. I can feel like I'm comfortable. Enjoy me. Okay, I don't know. Yellow and timber when I ask again.
She was hella hyper for it, ne?
Yeah.
I know.
Bentimbe na but when you said you
We're
want.
not drinking.
Ah, that's
Oh,
so.
come on.
Thing.
And it's a man again. We just stop talking.
Welcome, welcome.
After stream.
Oh, hi guys.
Hello.
I'm Kanya.
By 2 hours, what now to see? I'm going to watch again fast.
Since it's okay, I'm Kanya. Oh, no, you're a France or Sierra.
So, you know, the Miss Quan round the face. Tell again, Jenny told you.
You're fighting. Some man.
You didn't know my name?
No. Really happened Bulisa, and she's the one who said, "Bab, Timvile Bulisa."
Shame, I didn't even greet me. I don't know because we don't get anything.
But she heard me
anyway.
Unvile Bulisa.
That's the show now. I did.
Police, no, back.
Because when I'm getting it, then they come back and show. I'll wait for you to come back.
That's why I don't know your name, but I know your name.
Guys, ni funny.
Oh, sorry, Mimi.
You guys, ni serious, guys. Like,
That too serious. Show me that too serious. No, Jenny. Is this you, Jaya? Jaya. Oh, guys, hi.
Kerry Maz.
Oh, nambanga umntu. Please don't. I'm Kanya.
K dot.
How do you know that name? About K dot.
K dot.
Oh, fuck it.
Scott, I got emotional.
I see what he's
One
doing.
of my friends call me like K dot. How do you know? Yeah, so it's K. Kanye K dot. Kanye K zin. See, like I know. I have the
Chat.
vibe. I have the
Daibona
vibe.
Lembensika.
He has a nickname, Mama.
Besides
The reason I told you today we're not supposed to have you stream in Kanja is because when I walked in,
you told me your name previous.
it was a 2-man mission.
Oh, you saved my number.
Go get like down
How
now.
about me now?
Because the black niggas here.
No, like, why?
Mndum beka tangwa
Hey, when
kumdu.
just repair, la.
We can't have a conversation, so what do you mean?
What you mean? We talking with you. How? Sabanga
Ngibona
Sabanga mngane. We talking with you. Then you might guys on live. Imagine.
You must watch the live.
Imagine.
Boom.
You're supposed to have something with for comments, like in the phone comments.
No, man, you got the comments in there. You can watch them here.
It's weird.
I don't even like watching the comments, man. Like, I get here and speak when I
Please
want.
note, I cannot see. I'm blind.
Oh, blind?
I'm gag
Put them on
blind.
these bags.
I'm gag blind.
Put them on these bags.
I'm gag blind. I won't lie. I'm gag blind.
Put them on these bags, you know.
I'm wearing them
Fashion.
for safety. Without my glasses, I cannot see anything.
Very fashion, you know.
No, it's not fishing. It's my health. At this point.
Funny, I mean, that's why I'm not looking at the chat because I can't see shit. There's a camera. Like, do you see that thing
Look
right
yeah,
now?
look yeah.
Hey, what that?
I have gaggy guys, and I cannot see.
I mean, look at my eyes. Look at there.
Oh, my eyes are like it than yours. My eyes are like it than yours.
Colored.
Oh, how do you know I'm half colored? How do you know?
I was even when I prata.
I'm not proud of anything, brother. I'm half. How do you know I'm half colored?
Also, you are.
I'm half colored. And whenever I pregnant, I have an accent. Like now, I have an accent. So hi guys, I'm Kanya, and I'm half colored, and I like to practice. Say,
Nah?
nee,
We got a whole night to prat shit now.
I say for a minute.
No music though. I don't know how ladies live without music.
Yeah, I wanna listen.
All the
listen
time.
to Ghana, and I wanna drink.
I already seen a nigga. Fucking. Yo, I don't know what I'm shooting. Yo, I'll tell you when I come back.
Why don't you tell me now?
I'll take you when I come back. I'll tell you.
Yeah, but my worry is that I cannot read anything from the screen or whatsoever.
There's no need for you to do this.
I'm just saying, she will never do that. You need to get drunk.
I don't know. Once you drunk, you're out.
No.
Yep. I don't
No, listen, we drink alcohol.
No?
But we never like they gotta drunk the people we do anything.
But you know once
So like we get drunk like we to the point where we can talk shit or talk whatever we're not doing.
But
Like now she told you already like what you
No.
get her drunk like a few shots, then she will say whatever you want.
okay. So ungabheniki xa nisithi ke ngoku. That means now she wants your
Nah, I just say like please.
speaker bro mahlale ekhaya. Because like izawuleluka, izawufleka.
No email, let's ask them. They want guys, I wanna
Like izawufleka, bro.
Like,
Like
that's the thing
once
with
it plays
Lisa.
on stream, and then like once it plays on stream on the mic, and then it's gonna copyright, and then we can't earn no shit. Yeah. And also, maybe at the back.
Come here, I have a game ne. Let's play a game ne.
I like games.
Let's play as if okay, we're like auditioning like on Idols.
Idols.
Yeah.
So we're all gonna sing.
You gotta sing first and they're gonna follow.
Me?
Yeah, and then they're gonna judge.
I've never sang shit in my life. Chat, Nathan Alondo. I was trying to say we chat because hey, Baba, zange ndicela bomi.
Surely they gonna get one or two. Sure, you need it.
Sifuna nje ewe oyi-1, we might just.
You're gonna sing first and then they're gonna follow you. Just
So you're gonna choose the song and then
no. It's your
Look.
choice first. And then I'm gonna choose my answer.
I'll say since the speakers that side, they pick the next song.
There's no need for them. It's just us two right now. Ne?
I
We're doing
want
that.
one.
So you're gonna sing whatever song comes to mind, and then I'm gonna sing whatever song comes to mind.
You.
It's not we need to like sing the whole song.
Can
Nah.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Okay, we're gonna charge and just busy and jump one
Okay.
charge.
Let me test it for you. Like
Ufuna test ane.
speak some night.
I'm so practice was there.
Jimmy, it's a
Warm
warm
up.
up for the main show.
W warm up in the chair. Awara. Alright.
It's have time. It's 'cause my baby, I want you. Nah.
Yo.
It's got my eyes on my baby, I want you. Nah.
Fucking creature, come.
Nah, Kuju doesn't qualify. Kuju doesn't qualify.
Okay, John again.
Tinny, with pigs all night.
Wait pigs all night. Nazo wait pigs, mom. Got is it in neutral fix?
I don't.
Wait pigs are fun neutral fix, most.
I'm allergic to dairy. In the sun.
Tina Island look cremora. It's not on top.
I
It's
take it with
inside.
coffee. Not. I don't do that shit.
I want it good.
Nah, that's weird. Yeah, see, that's cock weird, brother. That's cock weird.
Like good kanje.
Listen, I can see my mom like tell my cousins back at show you can mix it with water and then with your whatever you do it.
So this doesn't has Tandy move right one.
I never ate it.
Not brave. And
What do you mean I'm not brave?
On the chest.
Here,
Chong on the
brave.
chest, chong apart, chong, buge.
But the chest.
Buge, lamadi.
What? Nee.
Chong,
Ayo, chest. That's not a chest.
ngindoni, inkuku.
Just fuba.
Mngundu esifuba. Chimi kutazi isifuba, i-chest yamu.
The chat be on because you went off.
Jesus. Sifuba.
Just fuba.
Sifuba.
Just fuba.
Sifuba. Chimi kayichonge manje kasisifuba esi.
I got an answer better than me.
Hey,
Chini.
kaphekele bethi push ups.
Give here.
Ufuna push ups sasa.
Let's see.
Ufuna push ups sasa. So,
15.
Oh.
Just now is 15.
ufuna push ups sasa.
Now is 15.
Davela ba.
It's not push-ups, it's couch ups. Because you're doing it on the couch.
Check it.
It's couch ups, brother.
Tell the street, boy.
It's not ready.
Let's go.
I think
Let's
I'm
go.
ready.
Nah, it's not ready.
I think I'm ready.
You're not. You have to show.
Okay, sure, let's
How
go.
many?
15.
15.
No, 15, 50.
50.
Okay, let's do 25.
Shout out.
Let's say 25.
I'm struggling, I'm trying.
Okay, 15.
You want to stop this conversation.
15, sure. Just because you're begging me to say 15, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Go down. 17, 18, 19, 20. It doesn't count because you paused. You paused.
Pause.
You paused.
I came though.
Doesn't count shut because you paused.
Did it for you.
Did it for mama.
There's a long
Oh mama.
Mama's like,
She's gone. Tilele, she's gone for mama.
oh, fuck the chair off.
Yeah, that could be about it.
No.
Yeah.
Something.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I can't armrest.
No, it's like no.
stop.
I'm with them. It's like don't you sit on the armrest, show me. Like the creases, it's like you wearing a sneaker and then bending your feet like this.
Yeah.
And then
if I'm wearing a Jordan, I mean,
yeah, that's you see, you get it. But
Never
it's like,
a Jordan.
if I'm wearing
the
a
color
not creasing a Jordan.
never.
It's like no, listen, it's like that.
Never wearing
That's
a
why
J.
they say, but don't sit on the umbrella because you're creasing that.
So you wouldn't Christy Jordan too?
I'll never. Even this shoe, but this
Any
shoe.
shoe or just
If you want me to bend down, I'll take off my shoes. Cause guys, shoes are valid. And shoes hold memories.
when pick up the phone.
Shout out, so I can make you do this.
I don't know. Ask them because I don't know.
Guys, today, as a development, the training.
What's that?
Dive, correct me, put me on if I ask.
Okay.
Go to Ozambique now. You can just go to the chemist and then.
Ozambique.
And that's no matter. No man, it's not about that. Come on,
Ozambique.
Come
you
on,
know, like if you don't want to work out, you can drink one Ozambique,
I
two
know
Ozambique,
check
three
it fast.
Ozambique. Exactly, fast.
When do you know about what I'm saying? But you have money.
That's
guys.
No. But that's Ozampique though.
Why would you do that to yourself?
Because you don't want to work out and you're rich.
Why would you?
You don't want to work out. Work out.
Why would you?
Bafuna ujima fonini wena.
Ufuna uwela ukuthi
ufuna uba muslender.
Ufuna ukuthi
Ebona leyo nto mhlawumbe ushiwa ngintwana ine. Ebo?
Why is everything a competition? Why would you compete yourself with everyone? Yeah, guys, yeah.
Acha!
Power to the fucking
Yesu!
Fine.
Ebona wena.
Guys, why? No, guys, I'm sorry. I don't get it, guys.
Spoons.
Who are those serious?
Spoons.
Yeah.
Spoons.
Yeah, ask them to another word. Yeah. But guys, it's got weird. No, it's got weird. No, look here, it's got weird. There's no need to to change yourself for people,
But that's where you know.
No, listen, people will change every day. You can say you know me today, and then you know this personality. Tomorrow you know another one. You see, you can never say
So
you trust a person. No.
So you're saying you never take Ozampique? That's what you're saying.
I'll never trust me.
She wants to earn it.
So when you want to work out, or do you not want to work out?
Tell me, I wanna wake up, the only part when I wake up, tell me fit. Otherwise, I'm good with my body. I like my hips. I love everything else. I just want
Okay,
the flat
who are you on
tummy.
TikTok again, Bob?
I'm trying to find Kanya.
Let's try to find Kanye.
TikTok.
Now check
You
find
got
Kanye.
You got
And on IG,
Check
Kanya Mtatasi.
Check
Very
find
simple.
Kanye and
Kanye
send it to.
Kanya Mtatasi.
Mtata so wako kai.
From Amalinda.
Ungasema Linda pia Linda ndikhanga kuleza khona mfana.
Cap.
Yabona cha.
Cap.
Jeke
But I don't go out.
Cap.
I don't go out.
Wapi kwa chama Linda?
Huh?
Wapi Linda?
Highway Garden.
Ekarini.
Very cap. Very cap.
Ekarini nikati.
Sleep by. Your language, please.
Andazi
Your language.
yena uyabona ukuthi
Your language, please.
undichithele kodwa.
Yeah.
I'm like it's on camera. Undichithele. Am I lying?
Yo.
They're coming out.
I didn't push up for you. You
I'm pushing my brand. I don't know what they're talking about.
He mean I told you to step out.
My dog. You don't need to do that about Shana people.
It's hard.
Nice shoes.
I'm going to
Nice
trade.
trade.
Because I'm not supposed to like
When they're reading, I'm like, hello, Pandy.
Bao no to kala ukanya.
You can never find
Both
this.
director show. Stay in my house.
say
For hosting parties.
parties.
Oh, should be our host.
Kokwini.
In my
Jonga
house.
into ndifuna uyenza.
The brand.
My dog is my brand mamela man.
What's in my brain, my brain?
Hayi kaloku ndithethe brand manager yam apha. Mamela nyoka.
You being shot.
He's a brand
I'm
manager.
so proud.
Please.
Please do.
Jonga, Manyoko. I think she said she's gonna host it.
Host what?
The party.
I don't know why he's half
Last
naked.
time you saw how my party was when we gave women money to go book a place.
Yeah. There was no man, just woman.
There was no money, no place,
Just women.
But
You're not gonna host my party.
Nah,
Last time.
you know the party.
No, we're gonna host it.
Ebo, he's capping. W is in the chat.
You
It's
wanna
got
host
his
it?
teeth capping.
You will know what to
I wanna host it, but I thought I was gonna host it at your house, but then I thought, hey man, last time.
do. But you can also win. My mom was around like for the whole week or 2 days.
Today.
He's inviting you to. You're invited
I'm
to.
actually inviting you to my party.
When is it?
It's not at the HQ though.
When
We
is
passed that stage. We're gonna host
When
parties.
is it?
It's on
Month
the
end.
month end of May.
Can we listen, yeah? In case it's like you telling me whatsoever. I'm a pure alcoholic.
Yep.
I like drinking.
So tall.
I like having fun.
Ungubani?
But
Ungowaphi?
I make sure whatsoever when I'm drinking everything is safe, like
Yeah.
codes or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Put them out.
FaceTime.
And then I drink.
So tall, come on.
And you
When
take care of me.
Me take care of you.
If everything is safe, if nothing's safe or whatsoever, I feel scared of the location. I don't drink. I take care of everyone.
Yeah.
Then the following day,
So not
I
me.
drink.
So not me take care. Like even it's
Nah,
my party.
nah.
I can't take care of no one.
So, I'll drink to that.
Fucking weekend.
So yeah. So when are we doing it? And where are we doing it?
End of month, May pie, Madin.
Yeah, my number.
I do.
Yeah, yo,
Did you
yeah,
text
I money.
You text me, man.
I didn't because I'm not busy on my phone because I'm.
Hey, man, you didn't text me. Better go to your number. Better go to your number. Text you.
You choose. Do you want me to be busy on my phone or to be right here and drinking? You choose.
Then do you for now? You support
I support alcoholism.
alcoholism. That's cool.
Next, and then I'll text you when you're back here to my phone because as soon as I text my mom, I'm safe. She said she's fine.
Shout out to you, man.
Ne?
Man,
So yeah.
was it umbani wona khalati?
Kanya.
Kanya. Kanya qayazana.
Me, it's just Kanya.
Kanya from Malinda.
Amalinda, yeah.
Never-
So it's Kanya, ne?
never
It's
met
not
you
like
my whole
Kanya,
life.
it's Kanya.
Sale gati from
Gardens, ehlale gardens. Angivela phathi yami zingapheli kakaphi.
Shame, I don't go out.
But
It was announced.
You could hear the music.
Well, now you're the only one with music.
So, no, listen. I don't go out. When I wake up,
No, don't
Okay,
I
where
don't
do
go
you
out.
stay,
I
Daddy?
stay indoors.
Give me the street. What street? Spot Fin.
Same
Castle.
street
Where?
as him, but you go
Spot
out.
Fin. Shalapaku Zidane.
Was it Dane?
Okay.
Spot Fin? No, man.
She just said you travel to the city.
Email, command toilet. I don't know people from.
Amazuvuyo ke.
No, I don't.
Amazuvuyo.
Shame, I'm telling you, I don't go out because I'm prepared and buzz. I only know my friends, which is 3 friends from the street. I don't go out.
Ngoba ni friends are.
Does Kumani Chole and we banatizing
Iba nathi zingane.
Anyway, fuck about
and Uniki. I went to my Basel from I really know.
Akasinto useDon ngubani oflana. Saba.
Scott.
No.
You're wilding, bro. I don't even know what you're saying. That's the problem. What's up, man? Leave it to you.
So you mentioned names on this side. I don't know. Test.
Why would you do that?
Because we're on the stream.
I'm such a my partner is beard.
I mean, you've got the whole cab to look at yourself.
I'm not looking at it.
Why not?
Cause into way no ow.
Khabol.
What?
Yeah, we're Sunday. Moko! Coming through. Moko!
Snoko. Oh, I'm brother. Snoko. Hey,
Snoko zawedwa ngathi ifish ngo.
Uthiyo.
Khabula lapha ke fish la khona. Fish la khabulisa lapha ngomnoko.